We often get caught up in the techniques, recipes, whether or not our dishes will impress others, but today I want to talk about something much more profound. Something that will instantly make you a better cook. For those people that you love around you. The secret isn't in the latest gadget or most exotic ingredient. It's not even in perfecting that complicated recipe. The secret is you. Yes, you heard me right. You. It's about putting 100% of yourself into every dish you create. Cooking isn't just about following a recipe to the letter. It's an expression of who you are. It's about adding your personality, your passion, and most importantly, your love into every meal you prepare. When you put yourself into the meals you create, you actually transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary, especially for the people you're creating it for. Now you might wonder, what if the person I'm cooking for doesn't like it? And here's the God's honest truth. Their reaction doesn't matter. Because it's beyond our control. You see, we can't dictate someone else's taste buds or preferences. But what we can control is the effort, the care, and the love that we put into our cooking. Whether you're using the most expensive ingredients or simple, budget-friendly items. The key is the same. It's not about how much you spend, it's about how much love and attention you give to each ingredient. A perfectly ripe tomato, sliced and seasoned, can be just as exquisite as a costly delicacy. Sourcing what you have available to you within your means is also part of that magic. Use what's in season. Don't be afraid to get creative with what you have on hand. Sometimes the best dishes come from improvisation and making the most of what you have. Experimenting with ingredients and listening to your gut is crucial. Don't be afraid to try new combinations or adjust a recipe based on what feels right to you. Trust your instincts. If it smells good, it probably tastes good too. Cooking is as much an art as it is a science, and your intuition is a powerful tool. When you cook with love, when you put yourself into a dish, it shows. It shines through in every bite. Your passion, your dedication, all create an experience and a memory for those that you make it for. So don't stress about the outcome. Focus on the process. Enjoy the act of creating, of experimenting, of making something uniquely yours. Remember, the best meals aren't necessarily the most perfect ones. They're the ones made with your heart. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't just follow a recipe. Pour yourself into it. Because that one thing, your love and passion, will instantly make you a better cook. As always, I appreciate you.